Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am wonderful today, thank you. The sun is shining, and I am happy to be here. And you, Jake?
I am okay, but something happened yesterday. I made a mistake.
A mistake? What happened?
I was at a coffee shop. I wanted to say, I want a cup of coffee, but I said, I want a cap of coffee.
A cap of coffee. Cap like a hat?
Yes, a cap, like a hat. The woman looked at me. She was confused.
Oh, Jake, that is okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
I know, but I felt embarrassed. I felt bad in front of other people.
I understand. But Jake, that one small mistake is not a problem. It is a normal part of learning.
Really?
Really. And that is actually our topic today.
What is our topic?
Today, we're talking about mistakes and why it's okay to make them.
It's okay to make mistakes?
Yes, it's okay to make mistakes. That is our big message today. But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. First, let's talk about an important word, mistake. Jake, what is a mistake?
A mistake is when you do something wrong, an error.
Yes, a mistake is an error, something that is not correct, like saying cap when you mean cup.
Like me yesterday.
Yes, but here's the truth, Jake. Everyone makes mistakes. Every single person in the world.
Even you, Judy?
Even me. I make mistakes every day, and that is okay, because mistakes help us learn.
Mistakes help us learn. I like that idea.
Let me show you what I mean. Think about learning English. Many people are afraid to speak English.
Afraid, that means scared, right?
Yes, afraid means you feel scared to try something. Many people think, what if I say the wrong word?
That is how I feel sometimes. My brain says, Jake, don't speak. You will sound silly.
Your brain says that?
Yes, my brain says stay quiet. It is safer.
Many people feel this way. But here's the thing, Jake. If you stay quiet, you don't practice. And if you don't practice, you don't improve.
Improve, that means to get better at something.
Yes, improve means to get better at something. And the only way to improve is to try. And when you try, sometimes you make mistakes.
And that is okay.
Yes, it's okay to make mistakes. Think about a baby learning to talk.
A baby?
Yes, a baby says wawa for water. Is that wrong?
Well, yes, but the baby is learning.
Exactly. The baby is learning. And nobody says, that baby is bad at talking. Nobody. Everyone smiles and says, the baby is trying.
And I am like the baby. I am learning.
Yes, you are learning, and your mistakes are part of the journey.
Part of the journey. I like that. Judy, can I tell you another mistake I made?
Of course. Tell me.
Last week, I was talking to my friend. I wanted to say, I went to the store, but I said, I goed to the store.
I goed to the store. And what happened?
My friend smiled, and he said, you mean I went to the store.
And how did you feel?
I felt a little embarrassed. My face turned red, but my friend was kind. He was not laughing at me. He was helping me.
That is what good friends do. They help you.
Yes, and he said, don't worry, Jake. I make mistakes too. Everyone does.
See, your friend understood you. He knew what you wanted to say. The message was clear.
The message was clear, even with the mistake.
Yes, and now you know. The past of go is went, not goed.
I will never forget that, because of the mistake.
Exactly. The mistake helped you remember. That is the power of mistakes.
Mistakes have power. That is a very new idea for me.
Now, let me give you another example, not about English. Think about riding a bicycle.
A bicycle?
Yes. Jake, do you remember learning to ride a bicycle?
Yes, I was maybe 6 or 7 years old.
Did you ride perfectly the first time?
No, I fell down many times.
What happened when you fell?
My knees were hurt, my hands were hurt, and I was scared. I wanted to cry.
That is normal. Falling hurts. It is scary.
Yes, and I thought, maybe I can't do this. Maybe riding a bicycle is too hard for me.
Your brain was telling you to stop.
Yes, my brain said, this is too difficult. Give up.
But did you stop?
No, my dad said, get up, try again. So I got up, I tried again, and again, and again.
And one day
I could ride. I was riding my bicycle and I felt so free, so happy.
that feeling, that happy feeling, it came because you did not give up. You fell 10 times, 20 times, but you always got up.
Yes, every time I fell, I learned something. I learned how to balance, how to turn, how to stop.
See? You made mistakes, but you got up every time, and now you can ride a bicycle. Nobody rides perfectly the first time.
That is true. Falling was part of learning. Without the falling, there was no riding.
It's okay to make mistakes. That is how we learn. On a bicycle, and in English.
Just like English. When I make a mistake in English, I fall down, but I get up and try again.
That is beautiful, Jake. Falling in English is not dangerous. It does not hurt your knees.
No, it only hurts my pride a little.
Pride. That means the feeling of being good at something. When you make a mistake, your pride hurts a little.
Yes, but pride heals fast, faster than knees.
Yes, much, much faster. Now, one more example. Last month, I tried to cook a new recipe.
What did you cook?
Soup. A vegetable soup, but I put too much salt.
Too much salt?
Yes, way too much. The soup was terrible. I could not eat it.
Oh no, that is sad.
It was sad. I was disappointed. Disappointed means I felt sad because something did not go well.
Disappointed. I know that feeling, like when I said cap instead of cup.
Yes, that feeling. It is not a good feeling, but it is a normal feeling. Everybody feels disappointed sometimes.
What did you do after the bad soup?
I wanted to give up. My brain said, Judy, you are not good at cooking. Stop trying.
Your brain said that?
Yes, but I did not listen. I said, no, I will try again.
Good for you, Judy. You were brave.
Thank you, Jake. So the next week I tried again, the same recipe, and this time I put less salt.
And?
It was delicious.
The mistake taught you.
Exactly. The first mistake taught me. Now I know how much salt to use. My mistake was my teacher.
So mistakes are like teachers.
Yes, exactly. 3 examples: English, a bicycle, and cooking. 3 very different things, but the lesson is the same.
The lesson is the same. Mistakes help us learn.
It's okay to make mistakes. They teach us important things every time.
Every time.
Now, Jake, I want to share 3 secrets. 3 secrets about mistakes.
3 secrets. I love secrets. Tell me, Judy.
Secret number 1. Don't be afraid to try.
Don't be afraid to try.
Many people don't try because they are afraid of mistakes. Fear says, don't speak. People will laugh at you.
Fear says that. I can hear it in my head.
But courage says, try. You will learn something new.
Fear says don't try. Courage says try.
Yes, and being brave is not about being perfect. Being brave means you try even when you feel afraid.
Brave. That means I try even when I'm scared.
Yes, that is exactly what brave means. And Jake, you are brave.
Me? Brave?
Yes, you speak English every week on this podcast. That takes courage.
I never thought about it that way. Thank you, Judy.
Think about it. The first time you spoke English on this podcast, were you afraid?
Yes, very afraid. My hands were shaking.
But you did it. You spoke. And every week you get better.
Because I keep trying, even when I am afraid.
That is secret number 1. Don't be afraid to try.
Don't be afraid to try. I will remember that.
Good. Secret number 2, every mistake is a lesson.
Every mistake is a lesson.
Your mistakes are not your enemies. They are your teachers. When you say cap instead of cup, now you know the difference forever.
That is true. I will never say cap of coffee again.
See, the mistake taught you. Your mistake was a gift.
My mistake was a gift. I never thought about mistakes that way before.
Think about all the words you know now. Many of those words you learned from mistakes. You said them wrong once, someone helped you, and now you remember.
That is true. Mistakes put the words in my brain, deeper than a textbook.
Deeper than a textbook. I love that, Jake.
What is the last secret?
Secret number 3. Try again tomorrow.
Try again tomorrow.
One bad day is not the end. One mistake is not the end. Tomorrow is a new day. You can always try again.
Tomorrow is a new day. I like that a lot.
Many famous people made many mistakes. Scientists, musicians, writers, they all made mistakes, but they did not stop. They kept trying, and they got better.
Really? Even famous people?
Yes, every good English speaker was once a beginner, just like you, and every beginner makes mistakes. The important thing is to keep going, to get up after you fall, just like the bicycle.
Just like the bicycle. Get up and try again.
Think about this. Maybe today you tried to speak English and it did not go well. Your brain says, see, you are bad at this. Stop trying.
My brain does say that sometimes.
But you can say back to your brain, no, I am learning, and tomorrow I will try again.
I will try again. That is powerful.
Yes, the people who learn the most are not the people who never make mistakes. They are the people who never stop trying.
The people who never stop trying. Wow.
And nobody is perfect. Perfect means no mistakes, 100% correct. But nobody is perfect.
Nobody?
Nobody. Not me, not you, not your teacher, not anyone. And that's okay, because perfect is not the goal.
What is the goal?
The goal is to improve, to get a little better every day. Not perfect, just better.
A little better every day. That is a beautiful goal.
And every mistake you make is one step closer to that goal, one step closer to speaking English well.
One step closer. I like that.
So let's remember our 3 secrets. Secret 1.
Don't be afraid to try.
Secret 2.
Every mistake is a lesson.
And secret 3.
Try again tomorrow.
Very, very good, Jake.
These are very good secrets. I feel better about my mistakes now.
I'm glad. And now I want to say something to our listeners.
Yes, please listen, everyone.
If you are listening right now, we are so proud of you. You are learning English, and that is amazing.
Yes, we are proud of you.
You are doing something difficult, and that takes courage.
We know it is not easy.
If you made a mistake today, that's okay. If you forgot a word, that's okay. If you said something wrong, that's okay.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Because every mistake brings you closer to your goal.
You are not failing. You are learning.
You are brave, you are strong, and you are getting better every single day.
We believe in you.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
Try one new word this week.
Try one new sentence.
Say hello to someone in English.
Write a comment in English.
Read one page of a book in English.